Elk Grove, California. A group of teens is seen stealing a Ring camera and showing off their guns in front of it.
Hold on, let me. Boom.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Why you can't answer the door?
Can't answer your door.
Come outside.
Shit with big shit.
Come outside. Boom. You going in the water now?
Shreveport, Louisiana. A homeowner caught multiple teens looking inside cars for valuable items.
Oh, yo, there's hella shoes back here. There's hella shoes.
Nowadays, people really steal the most weird items. Good luck selling a whole lawnmower. In Charleston, West Virginia, 2 drug addicts are seen shooting up right under the camera. Make sure you never end up like these two. And while on the topic of drug addicts, in Tacoma, a crazy lady is seen stealing an ashtray from a porch. Sometimes you see some stuff on your Ring camera that just keeps surprising you, like this kid who charges his bike at a random house at 10 p.m. Make sure to always keep valuable items inside. In Aurora, Illinois, 2 thieves were caught red-handed looting cars.
Can you please move from my property, please?
Hey, Big Ray, come on.
I got you on camera. I got you now. Got you, bitch. Fucking little fucked up little bastards.
Always make sure to watch your property. You never know when freaks like this might come by. Knoxville, Tennessee. Would you have called the cops? Let it know in the comments. In Port St. Lucie, Florida, thieves were seen trying to open car doors.
Dick. Home.
Why would you even allow your dog to walk in someone else's yard? Have some respect, lady. San Bernardino, California. If you see an unfamiliar trailer around, you know where it came from. Amarillo, Texas. A crazy lady was spotted in the backyard while the owner had no idea who she was.
Hello. It's Jess. Huh? It's Jessica.
In Salt Lake City, Utah, a couple of teens were seen attempting to break into cars. A Ring camera captures a grown man stealing a kid's bike. Augusta, Georgia. 2 teens are seen checking inside cars until they get caught by the owners.
Is it a reason why you was just in my truck? Right there. There's two of them. Now they're running.
Grand Rapids, Michigan. A suspicious man who constantly eludes police is seen again trespassing at 11 p.m. Worcester, Massachusetts. It's becoming more normal for children to start crime at a very young age. See how these young kids check the door handles.
There's a camera right there. What the fuck?
Fayetteville, North Carolina. An intoxicated man is seen trespassing and wobbling at a front door. In Providence, Rhode Island, two masked teens are seen peeking inside the window, possibly setting up a plan for a break-in. A Ring camera of a garage catches a thief breaking and entering and looting a car. This is probably the most insane thing you have seen on a Ring camera yet. In Fort Collins, Colorado, a person is seen shooting from a car towards multiple houses. Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Get away, woman. This is not your house. Tempe, Arizona.
Never mind, I got a camera.
In Pembroke Pines, Florida, a woman is seen doing a drive-by on an Amazon package. Thank you for watching. Always stay cautious and verify suspicious activity.